Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. I would request you to please like, comment and share these videos to the other fellow investors whoever want to invest in the right breakout stocks and the potential growth stocks. Whatever the stocks which we were recommending in this channel has given a tremendous breakouts and provided huge returns to all the fellow investors. As you all know that I do a deep dive technical analysis. When I see that the stock is going to go and give a huge returns with the help of by breaking the very strong technical chart patterns, and I do a strong fundamental analysis as well, and I will provide those recommendations in the same channel, and I will myself invest into those companies. In this video we are going to discuss such a stock which I see that there is a huge breakout which was already happened, and I have recommended this stock 3 weeks back when I see that there is a huge technical pattern which was forming right at the time. Once after the technical pattern has formed, the stock has given a tremendous breakout with a huge volume, and this volume has never been happened into this company. Currently this stock is exactly in a very strong consolidation. I see that this stock has a huge potential growth which is going to be happen, and this stock is going to go and reach new higher zones within a 6 months of time. The stock which we are going to discuss and analyze today is PARADEEP Phosphates Limited. I have done a detailed fundamental analysis with the help of P by E ratio, net profits, net growth. When I compare it with from the past 3 years as well as from the past 5 years, the fundamentals are not really very great for this company. But this company is not a loss making company. But when we compare it from the past 3 years, the growth is little bit slow down when I did a thorough detailed net profit versus the net growth revenues. But when I see the technical analysis, the technical chart pattern for this company is really very strong. If you see the chart on my screen, the chart which you are seeing on my screen is a daily chart. I have clearly mentioned the trend lines as well as the very strong buying zone and the selling zone. If you see this company's stock was continuously in an upward momentum, which is nothing but an uptrend from June 2022 until today. This company's stock was an upward momentum from the price of 37 rupees until today, which is exactly at 92 rupees. I have recommended this stock when I see a huge pattern which is forming right now exactly at 74 rupees. I have recommended this stock a long back, and I told all our fellow investors to invest into this stock, that this stock is forming a very strong technical chart pattern, and this stock is going to go a huge breakout and which is going to give a huge returns. I don't know whoever is invested into this stock, please provide your comments if you are really invested into this stock after seeing our community chart over here. When it comes into the technical analysis, currently this stock has given a tremendous breakout by breaking the very strong resistance line. If you see this chart, as I said before, this stock was continuously in an upward momentum, so the long term trend for this stock is a bullish trend. When we compare this over here, this line whatever which you are seeing over here is a very strong resistance line. That is where you could able to see it clearly that this stock has tried to break this very strong resistance line multiple times, which is almost like more than 5 to 6 times. Whenever the stock has tried to break this very strong resistance line, this stock has bounced back from that resistance line again to this support line. This is one of the very strong support line for this company, and this one is a very strong resistance line. I see the more number of buyers are waiting exactly into this point, and the more number of sellers are waiting to push or to pull the stock down towards into the support line. So when this stock is bouncing back in between the very strong resistance and the support line, this is where I see a very strong technical pattern. That is the reason I have recommended all of our fellow investors to invest into this company exactly at 74 rupees. I myself bought this stock exactly at 74 rupees, which you could able to see it on my screen, which where I bought this stock, which is exactly at 74 rupees. So when it comes to the technical analysis, again this stock has given a tremendous breakout. If you see this candle over here, this stock has given a tremendous breakout by breaking this very strong selling zone. This at the time when this stock has given a tremendous breakout, if you compare the volume, this volume, which is almost like 75 million volume in one day, this volume has never been happened in this company from the past almost like 3 years. If you compare the volumes and if you do a thorough volume analysis, you could able to see it clearly that this volume, whatever happened today, which is one of the highest volume in this company, if you any time if the stock has given a tremendous breakout by having a very strong volume, this indicates that the stock has a huge potential to growth in future. I'm sure that this stock is going to go and consolidate little bit more further down towards into this zone again. This zone is a very strong resistance zone, support zone right now. This resistance zone earlier became a support zone right now, so I'm sure that this stock is going to go and consolidate little bit more towards into this very strong support zone and will bounce back towards into the new higher zones, which is going to be at least more than 150 rupees in near future. Currently this stock is exactly trading at 92 rupees and my target one is going to be 150 rupees within 6 months of time. I'm sure that this stock is very strong in technical analysis, and this stock is continuously in a bull trend from almost like more than 2 years, and this stock has given a tremendous consolidation and the tremendous breakouts by having a huge volumes. So this stock is going to go and reach new higher zones, which is going to be at least 150 rupees as per our in-depth technical analysis. I have done a detailed technical analysis with the help of chart patterns, buyers and seller psychology, support and resistance levels, as well as the volume analysis. I'm sure that this stock has given a tremendous breakout by breaking this very strong resistance line, and this company has a very strong potential growth which is going to be happen as per my in-depth technical analysis. So I want all our fellow investors to keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the very right and the best discounted bargaining price to gain more in profits. The target 1 is going to be 150 rupees and the target 2 is going to be 200 rupees. The best entry into this company is like, I want all our fellow investors to wait for some more time to come down the stock exactly at this price, which is going to be over here, which is in between 87 rupees to 88 rupees. So the best entry into this company is going to be exactly in between 87 rupees to 88 rupees. The target one is going to be 150 rupees. If you want to keep the stop loss, the best stop loss is going to be just below this very strong support line, which is going to be at least at 81 rupees. So I want all our fellow investors to keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the very right price to gain more in profits from this company. Thank you very much for watching this video. Again, I'm requesting all our fellow investors to subscribe the channel so that you will get a notification with the help of you will get a notification whenever I post the videos on the very strong breakout stocks with the help of in-depth technical analysis as well as the fundamental analysis. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.